Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and today I'll be showing you some tassels I made for Tassel Tuesday. Yay! So this is an open collaboration hosted by Creating with Jovi. I will link her channel down below in the description box. And it's an open collaboration. You can jump in or out if you want. I think you just need to put the hashtag Tasseltuesday in your video. So it's every Tuesday and you just make tassels. And so this week I did something a little different for me than I normally do. So the first thing I did, we're making these. Let me put this paint down. I made these tassels, and I was inspired by the new Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection, and everybody is making these tassels. So I kind of messed up on a couple, but I think I know what I did. So, and I just put a charm with hearts on it, and everybody's making these types of tassels. And I just made 3. And I used the Recollections paper from Michael's. I thought that was pretty. And then I used this ribbon clamp to clamp it. And I've seen people make these. I just, I kind of, what is that frame? Messed up a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just going to put these in some Happy Mail. And this one has a shimmer to it. It's a weird shimmer paper. And then I just put lobster clasps on all of them with a heart charms. And I'm going to put them in probably the pocket letter I'm sending off. So there's those. And the next thing I made was this tassel here. And I got this yarn and some Happy Mail sent by Rosemary You Rock Art. And this here, I just put these up here with the jump ring, and I put an extra jump ring and this cute clasp I had my stash. And I like this yarn. It's perfect for making tassels. I love the color in them. Excuse me, my voice is kind of going in and out here. And then I made this here, always and believe, with the wood beads, rondelles in the middle, and there's another bead all in my stash, with a little 4mm bead here, and here, and here. And I connected it together, the jump ring. And on this one, I did the same. If I can get you guys into focus here. Silver, and some greens. And then the greens here, and the acrylic beads right here. And I connected them together, like so. And that's what it is. That's what it looks like. This will be going to my sister. She likes these. I don't make them for her, so I'm gonna give her this one so she can have it. So yeah, those are my tassels for Tassel Tuesday. Be sure to check Jovi's out and her tassel makings. And if you want to make one, just put hashtag Tassel Tuesday. She made a really awesome one this morning with autism. You really gotta go check her tassel out. She did it with puzzle pieces and everything. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, guys, I hope you like my tassels, and I hope to see you next Tuesday for another Tassel Tuesday. All right, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.